We're now going to move on to another way of protecting useful ideas, and it won't take us very long to cover it. It's trade secrets. And when I teach law school, I ask the question, what is the key requirement for a trade secret? And these law students are too smart. They give me all types of answers, but they don't get it right. What do you guys think the key thing is for a trade secret? You can answer. Yeah, exactly. Got to keep it secret. If it's not secret, it's not a trade secret. So we'll talk again, our theme, what is protected, how do you obtain it, how long does it last? I'm going to answer that question right now. Forever, as long as you keep it secret. Like in theory, the formula for Coca-Cola has been a trade secret for a long, long time. In fact, the president, well, I'll get to that, what President Coke had to say. So the trade secrets, it's very easy to figure out. It's actually in the California Civil Code, the definition of a trade secret. And this is based on what's called the Uniform Trade Secret Act. So most states have the same or similar definition. So the key thing is it's information, and that's broadly defined. Information can be a formula, pattern, compilation, program, device, method, technique, or process. The second requirement, it has economic value. It doesn't even have to be real, actual or potential. And why does it have economic value? Because it's secret. It's not generally known to the public or to other persons who can obtain economic value from its disclosure or use. And subject of efforts that are reasonable under the circumstances to maintain its secrecy. Note, it's only reasonable efforts. There's a fun case that came out of Texas where a chemical company had a new method for making a chemical. And they had a plant up and operating, and they were making a lot of money from it. Well, a competitor hired a private plane and a photographer to fly over the chemical plant, look down, took pictures, and from the pictures and how the different pipes and everything ran, they could reverse engineer the process, and they did that, and they started a plant. And they got sued for stealing trade secrets. And the defense was, trade secrets? What trade secrets? Anybody can see it. I mean, you know, it's available on anybody flying over on a plane. And the court said, wait a minute. They got to be reasonable under the circumstances. We're not going to require them to put a big tent over their entire chemical plant. So that was found to be trade secret misappropriation. How do you protect trade secrets? You need reasonable efforts. Try to get people that you need to disclose a secret to sign what we call NDAs, non-disclosure agreements or confidentiality agreements. If you have tours, keep them limited. Areas where there can be problems, danger, white papers and publications or conferences or even talking to friends about it. So the key thing is keep it secret. I heard a story about a lady, my wife told me about it, who claimed she was great at keeping secrets. It's just the problem was all the people she told it to couldn't. Okay, that's it for trade secrets. So that's another way to skin the cat. You know, it's not available for everything. I mean, if I have that bottle there, my method of making it may be secret, but the bottle shape itself, once I put it out in the marketplace, is no longer secret. So anything that can be reversed engineered easily, it's not available for.